Hello friends, this is Shubhashankar Ghosh from Science City, Kolkata. Today we'll show you one very interesting experiment that every one of us can do, and you can make this experiment in less than 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. Okay, so what is this experiment all about? Well, as a child, I used to get very excited whenever a birthday comes, and the best part of the birthday is balloons. They look so wonderful, so colorful. And many a times, my father used to give me the task of blowing the balloons. It was a difficult task, very difficult task. It feels like the entire lungs will come out after I blew 2 or 3 balloons. You must have felt the same. But can we do something? Can science help us in any way so that this act of blowing the balloons becoming an interesting activity? Science can help you in this regard, and for that you need some very interesting and very simple things. I'm going to show you that only. Want to know? Okay, let's begin. So you can see I have got a bottle cap. Okay, the normal bottle cap that we get in a 500 or 1 liter bottle. I have got few rubber bands, a scissor, and the balloons that I need to blow. But before that, I'm telling you that since you will be working with scissors, do not do it alone. Always do it under the guidance of your parents. Okay, so let's begin with the experimentation part. What you have to do is that you take the bottle cap, you take the scissor, you open it up, and then you have to make a hole from the top. Okay, the hole should be little bigger, not a very small one, maybe half of an inch. Okay, you make the hole, you close the scissor, and then the cap with the hole need to be covered by a balloon like this. Remember, when you are covering the cap, do not cover it totally. Do not cover it totally like this, not like this. Rather, you have to cover it like this so that 2 sides are not covered, only the top is covered. So basically you are covering the hole which you have just made. And in order to fix the balloon on the cap, you use the rubber band. So you know how to use the rubber band. So you just put the rubber band on the top so that the balloon don't move and it sits very tightly on the cap. Bingo! This is a structure that you have to make, and this is nothing but you have created world's simplest valve. You will get to know, you will study a lot of different valves when you grow up, but for the time being, let's concentrate on blowing the balloons. That is the target, correct? So, final structure. This is the final structure. The final structure will look like this. This is the cap, balloon on the top. It is anchored very tightly with the help of a rubber band, and you can see a small hole at the base. This is the hole that will play the trick. Okay, on the top of it you can see I have put a balloon that I have to blow, and the blowing process is you have to put your mouth on this area and you have to force air. When the air will be forced inside, the air will pass down, that is, it will come out from the side of the balloon and it will fill up the balloon, this balloon, but it cannot come down, that is, come back, because the top of the balloon will not allow the air to go back. This is the same thing that a valve does, one-way movement of any kind of a fluid. Will it really work? Let us see. See, so blow as many balloons as you want, make a party, enjoy your lockdown period. We will come with similar kind of interesting experiments in near future. If you like this kind of experiment, please write in your comments. We'll love to answer to any of the queries. Thank you. Bye bye.